everyone!
This is part 2 of the DIY Halloween party decoration video.
Thank you for watching.
You need to get something round. Anything round that can be the base of the chandelier. I'm going to cover it with a black cardboard. I'm going to make hole punches inside, look.
Hole punches? Why?
Because this is where we're going to hang the bats from.
Oh, okay. Look.
So you have to make them all the same distance apart like this. So I can scotch tape it.
I thought you're going to say that.
Okay, but what we need to do is we need to keep the holes on the bottom and scotch tape this part here. Okay, now we've secured the black cardboard on the ring and we're going to start hanging the bats from the holes.
Oh, we have cut out some bats and we have put some jewels on to be the eyes.
Okay, take a pen and we just make a bit of a hole inside here, look. Right above the eyes. Yeah.
Okay, what are we going to do?
Then we take some string, put it through the hole.
It's hard to put through, Mommy.
No, it's not hard, you see.
And then I'm going to do mine.
We make a knot. Okay. Now once you're done, you string it through one of the holes that we've made in the ring.
So I see how.
Look.
We're done.
We've hung them all up.
First thing is, we're going to cover the bowl with the cleaning wrap. So now I'm going to cut some squares. Starting now. Flour, and then water, and then the last finger bowl, white glue. Is we dip the papers into the glue completely, let it float for like a second, and then take it out and then just put it on to the bowl. Until you have covered the whole thing. Make sure you don't leave any bits. Now we're going to leave it to dry. So now we're going to take the bowl and the plastic out. So now I'm going to show you. I think we do this. So we got it. Now I'm going to paint it orange. Now I'm just going to, at least I got lots of paint from my stuff. So. Painted the balls from the inside and the outside. And now I'm going to glue the face on. Put the mouth on the top, the bottom part, and the nose and the eyes on the top part. So I'm going to put the handle on the top part so then we can carry it. So now we have to let the handle dry. It has to dry. We're going to show you how to make this black fringe
that we're going to use to cover up all the bookcases.
Like this one that's just behind us.
Yeah. So first thing we need is a garbage bag, a black garbage bag.
Honestly, why
you cut it in half. So you cut it out, which we've already done here.
Which my mom has already done.
We keep the straight part of the garbage bag to be the top. Now fold the garbage bag a few times. Yeah?
That was
and
just like
then,
too.
You know what we're going to do, Cece?
What?
We're going to start cutting.
Cutting that?
It doesn't have to be straight, yeah? You just cut, yeah. So we're just trying to make some strips now. Alright. Now we can open it up and have a look at what we've done. Some strips already. What we're going to do is we're going to make more strips. So just cut. They don't have to be straight. Just to give it a bit of a shaggy look.
Yeah, like a...
So some strips can be long, some can be short.
Mommy, look how long I got this
one.
one.
But don't go any higher. Now we will stick some black paper crap strips to give it more dimension. And look, we're going to tear it up a little with our hands.
What?
Like this. Don't tear all of it. Just make small tears in it to make it look old. Now stick it on with some glue.
My turn, my turn, my turn. My turn, my turn.
Measure it out.
And I'm going to colors to here.
Okay. Like this.
Looks awesome. But Mommy,
it's very fun to do. Just make sure you don't rip it too much. Just make small tears.
Look.
Yeah, small tears.
It's fun ripping. All finished with this.
And we're gonna put it up.
Yay!
Yeah, let's put it up. Okay.
Now we hung them up with your feet. It looks spooky.
He's gonna paint this orange.
Paint it orange. Finish painting this and then I let it dry.
Okay. And now we're gonna make the face of the jack-o'-lantern.
I know. I'm not scared of it at all.
A black piece of paper, pencil, and scissors. Now, here, you cut this. So cut around that circle.
I'm not going to even. Hi, Mom.
Yeah.
Nice jack-o'-lantern item.
Yeah. Take the next one.
You put too much glue on this one.
No, it's fine. Lovely.
Now what are we going to do?
I'm just gonna stick this part here.
Now we're going to show you how to make a ghost garland.
So first thing you need is some Christmas lights. And then some ping pong balls. So we take the ping pong ball and we make two small holes.
Can I please?
Yeah, but I'm gonna, okay. You get a screwdriver.
Yeah, and then you just...
And you put it on the table like this. And then you push it in. You just make the next hole 1 centimeter away from it. Once you've got two holes inside the ping pong ball, we take two lights and we just push them in.
And as you see, we already...
If the hole is not big enough, then you just need to take the screwdriver and just make this hole a bit bigger.
Do you like it? It looks really beautiful.
So you just push one light in one hole, and then you push the next light in the next one, the next hole. So we've got both lights inside. Now Cece's going to draw a ghost face on it. Once we're done, we get any kind of white cloth will do. So I've got this kind of white net, but try to get something that's a bit transparent. And then we're going to put the ping pong ball inside the cloth, and then we're just going to tie it with a bit of string. Good job. And another one.
These are our ghosts.